So for TVS Motors this time around, we expect a subdued performance because the volumes were down on a sequential basis. It was just the domestic volumes. They were up 8% on a YoY basis. That helped the numbers on the volume front. But on the flip side, the exports were a clear laggard that were down around 18% on a YoY basis. So overall, if we look at the volume performance, they were down 14.5% on a sequential basis, but flat on a YoY basis. And that will actually impact the numbers of the company. On the revenue front, a decline of 12.5% is what we are expecting at 6,315 crores onto the top line is what we are expecting for TVS Motors. On the EBITDA number, a similar decline on a sequential basis at 644 crores is our estimate. But look at the margin. Once again, a 10 percentage points above margins is what we are expecting. And if the company makes it to this particular number, that will be the 6th consecutive quarter in the margin front that are above 10%. We are expecting a margin of 10.2% to be precise. And lastly, onto the profit figure, a decline of 16.5% is what we are expecting at 340 crores onto the bottom line is what we are expecting for TVS Motors. So the quarter all in all witnessed 2% of sequential increase in the average selling price. The ASP on the back of the price hikes being taken, especially in the scooter segment, the higher mix for the EV scooters and a favorable forex is something that will impact the numbers this time around. So this is purely the expectation on the number front, but other than that, we'll also look out for the management commentary in the growth in their overseas market going ahead, the situation on the semiconductor shortage and their sales update onto the EV segment is something that we'll be looking out for TVS Motors management commentary.